Parmesan cheese. Oh yes. Did you know that Parmesan cheese is one of the oldest and most famous cheeses in the world? This cheese has been made in Italy for over 900 years, specifically in the Parma region. Parmesan is made from cow's milk and requires a long aging process of up to 24 months. This cheese boasts a rich and complex flavor, making it perfect for use in a variety of dishes. You can grate it over pasta, add it to salads, or even enjoy it as a snack. Parmesan is known for its hard texture and fine grains that melt in your mouth. In addition to its delicious taste, Parmesan is rich in proteins and calcium, making it a healthy choice for cheese lovers. It can be stored for long periods without losing its flavor, making it an ideal ingredient in the kitchen. If you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your dishes, Parmesan cheese is the perfect choice. Try it today and enjoy its unique and distinctive taste.